good morning everyone. So class, it's really very nice to see you all again after a long break, and I hope you all must have enjoyed your summer vacations very nicely, isn't it? So must have stayed at home because it was so hot outside, and even today it's very hot. So I would like to prefer you all to be at home, enjoy your time, your classes, do your work and learn a lot of new things. So again, welcome you all. So now it's time we are going to begin with our today's fun sheet class. As you all are aware that on Tuesday and Thursday we have our fun sheet period, right? So today is Thursday, isn't it? And we are going to have our fun sheet period. But before proceeding towards work, अपने work की तरफ move करने से पहले, can anyone tell me what is the date today? As we have just reopened the school, आज हमारा first day है school का after the break, after your vacations. So what is the date today? Today is 1st July 2021. Now see here, I have written 1, that means first है आज की date. Now what is this 7 for? 7 is for the 7th month of the year. हमारे year में 12 months होते हैं, तो आज से क्या हुआ है, 7th month शुरू हो गया. से January, February, March, April, May, June, July. July month begin हुआ है ना? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is for the month and 2021. Understood the date? Now as you are growing up, you have to understand and learn all these things. Okay? Now let's move towards our today's topic. See class, what are we going to learn today is something mama, papa, मैम, दीदी, भैया, दादी, दादाजी ये हमें रोज सिखा रहे होते हैं, isn't it? Yes, आज जो मैम आपको बुक में सिखाएंगी, that is nothing new for you. You are learning all these things every day at home. Every day कोई ना कोई आपको ये चीजें सिखा रहा है. What are those? That what is good for you? Good means अच्छा. आपके लिए क्या अच्छा है? And bad. What is bad for you? क्या चीज से आपको हार्म हो सकता है, चोट लग सकती है, वो आपको नहीं करना चाहिए. मम्मा कहती है ना, बेड से जंप मत करो, बेड पे जंपिंग मत करो, isn't it? Then mama says don't keep running at home. घर के अंदर मत भागो, आप स्लिप कर जाओगे. स्टेयर्स में आपको जो स्टेयर के साइड में रॉड होती है उसको होल्ड करके उतरना होता है या क्लाइंब करना होता है. So you have to follow these things, isn't it? मार्केट में मम्मा का हैंड पकड़ के रहना है, नहीं तो कोई ले जाएगा. So all these good habits, bad habits, you are learning every day. You have to keep yourself clean, wash your hands, brush your teeth, then comb your hair. Then what else? Throw all the garbage in the bin. जो भी कूड़ा है वो आपको डस्टबिन में डालना होता है. Then आपके जो toys हैं, after playing with your toys, collect them all and keep at a place. Then do your work timely. Try to play with your books. I mean books in the way, coloring. Then try to keep revising your things. Play with your blocks, isn't it? So all these things are good. घर में मम्मा कहती हैं किचन में नाइफ को टच नहीं करना है, that is bad for you. आपका हाथ कट जाएगा. So all these good habits and bad habits is something you are learning every day with your parents, with your grandparents, with your elders, isn't it? मैम भी आपको डेली क्लास में कुछ ना कुछ बताती है कि what is good for you. If you will do your work regularly, you will be a good boy, a good girl. आप अपना work टाइमली सबमिट नहीं करते हो, फिर मैम बोलती है वर्क सबमिट नहीं किया तो आप टाइम से नहीं कर रहे हो. If you will not do your work timely, then again फिर बहुत सारा वर्क इकट्ठा हो जाता है, वो भी नहीं, again that is bad. isn't it? And then सबसे important बात, आपके जो बड़े हैं, जो आपके elders हैं, उनकी बात माननी चाहिए. You should follow what they say. That is also a good habit. तो ये good habit और bad habit is a topic we learn everything. We learn every day. Something or the other we learn every day, isn't it? So this is what we are going to do in our book today. So now class, you all know this is your book, isn't it? This is your fun sheet book. Now in this book, today we are going to do 2 pages. One we will be doing as our today's classwork, and one will be your today's homework. Okay? So let's open our book and see what are the different good and bad habits. Good habits that we have to follow and bad habits we should not follow. Clear? For this, yes, as I have just told you, brushing your teeth isn't a good habit? Yes, it is. And we use toothbrush and toothpaste to clean this, to clean our mouth. हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं वो हमारे टीथ में फंस जाता है, राइट? तो उसमें क्या होता है, फिर जर्म्स आते हैं, जर्म्स अटैक करते हैं. तो उन सबको क्लीन करने के लिए हम ये यूज करते हैं. Then we have use me. This is dustbin. आपने देखा होगा क्लासरूम में, घर पे, किचन में, या अब तो आप जब कभी भी मार्केट में भी जाएंगे, डिफरेंट प्लेसेस पे बिन्स रखे होते हैं, ग्रीन कलर, ब्लू कलर. सो यू हैव टू थ्रो योर गार्बेज इन दीज बिन्स. कोई भी ऐसे सड़क पे या कहीं पर भी डोंट थ्रो योर गार्बेज देयर. कोई भी जो वेस्ट थिंग है वो ऐसे ही नहीं फेंकते हैं. यू हैव टू यूज देम. देन comb टू ब्रश योर हेयर. आपके जो हेयर है जब वो नीटली सेट होते हैं तो आप प्रिटी लगते हो. अगेन इट्स अ गुड हैबिट. शादी से हेयर होते हैं दैट लुक्स सो बैड. देन soap to take bath every day, soap to clean your hands every time you go to washroom before or after meal, isn't it? Then we also use nail clipper or you can call nail cutter to trim your nails. Nails को भी trim रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So all these are good habits. Then we have book. Yes, you should do your work timely, play with your blocks. All these are good habits. We have to follow them. Now there are some habits that we should not do, like fighting with each other, playing with knife or sharp objects, electrical switches जो होते हैं उनको टच करना is not good for you, isn't it? तो मम्मा पापा या elders जो भी आपको कहते हैं ऐसे नहीं करना, don't do that because that is not a good habit. वो कौन सी habit है? Bad habit. Okay? So let's see in the book and understand or differentiate between good and bad habits. Okay? For this, you are going to open your book on page number 16 as your today's classwork and page number 17 as your today's homework. Clear? So let's open the book and see what work we are going to do there. Okay? Keep your colors ready with you. So class, now open your fun sheet book as I told you on page number 16. So page number 16 is our today's classwork. So what we are going to do, we are going to first write today's date, that is 1st July 2021. Like this you will mention the date and do mention classwork here. Okay. Now on the next page number, that is your page number 17, what you are going to do, you are going to write today's date again, 1st July 2021, and mention homework here like this, HW. Clear? So this sheet is your homework and this is your classwork. Now let's see what we have to do in our classwork. You should always adopt good habits. Color the circle green for good habits and red for bad habits. So now here we need two colors. One we need is green and the other one we need is red color. So we have taken these two colors. Now one by one we are going to see that what these pictures are telling us. So in the first picture, if you will see, the boy is washing the hands. Isn't it in this picture? Now, washing hands, is it a good habit or a bad habit? Tell me, class. Washing hands is good habit. Yes. So, what we are going to do? We are going to take green color. And can you see this circle here? You are going to color this circle using your green color because washing hands is a good habit. Right? So like this, just inside, as I told you, जब आपको किसी की border line दी होती है तो just उसके अंदर अंदर like this, you are going to do green color. Okay? Now, moving down, next we have again a boy who is throwing the garbage in the dustbin. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? Yes, it's a good habit. I told you ना, अपनी surroundings को clean रखना है. जो भी घर में कूड़ा होता है, dust होती है या waste material होता है, you have to throw that in the dustbin. Okay? So again we are going to circle here. Color it with green color. जो ये circle है, we'll do it with green because green is for good habits, right? So again, this is a good habit. Like this. Done. Now next we have is a boy. What he is doing? Oh my God! This is a matchstick. जिसे हम मम्मा मंदिर में पूजा करने के लिए जोत जलाती हैं. It's a matchstick. It is very very harmful. और ये देखो what he is doing. ये अपने कान में उसको पोक कर रहा है, अपने कान में डाल रहा है. So is it a good habit? No, it is not. If you have any sort of itching or pain in your ear, आपके ear में itching हो रही है, खुजली हो रही है, pain हो रहा है, do let your parents know about it. आपको उन्हें parents को बताना है वो चीज़. But you will not use anything in your ears. आप खुद से कुछ नहीं डालोगे. Your pencil, then your colors or whatever thing you use. I have seen many of the students, they put pencil in eye and in ears. It is very bad. बहुत ज़्यादा चोट लग जाएगी. Okay? So don't do it. For what we are going to do? We are going to do red color in this circle because it is a bad habit and we should not do it. Like this. Now, next we have is a boy who is playing with frogs. See, now class, this is if you are helping the frog, it's okay. कोई भी animal है. But अगर आप उन्हें परेशान कर रहे हो, that is bad. Now, because the frog is in the hands, अब आपने उसे पकड़ा है ना, तो वो क्या है? Bad habit है. क्योंकि देखो, जब आपको कोई कस के पकड़ता है या आपको कोई परेशान करता है, you feel very annoyed. आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है. Same is with these creatures also. ये जो छोटे छोटे एनिमल्स होते हैं, इनको भी परेशान नहीं करना है. So it is again a bad habit. Let them live freely. वो जहाँ जाते हैं, जो करते हैं, उन्हें free रहने दो. Don't bother them. उनको परेशान नहीं करना है. So this boy is doing a bad thing. So we have used red color here. Okay. Now next one we have is a girl. See, what is she doing? She is reading the book and playing with blocks. So isn't it a good habit? Yes, it is. Reading books, then doing your coloring, drawing, enjoying your classes, then playing with blocks is all very good. So what we are going to do? We are going to do green color in this. Like this, we'll use green color because it's a good habit. Understood, class? So you can see that we have completed this work on page number 16 where we have seen that which are good habits. We have done those with green color and those are counted as bad habits, we have used red for them. Understood? This is how you are going to do your today's classwork. Now class, moving towards today's homework on page number 17. What it says, tick what is right and cross what is wrong. तो यहाँ पे भी you can see there are 6 pictures. Now what you will do, you can see a space here with every picture. आपको क्या करना है? The one which is good, उसको आपको टिक लगाना है. One which is bad, उसको क्रॉस करना है. Now see, mother and child, they are enjoying story time. Then see two people are fighting here. Then we have somebody is plucking the flower. वो फूल तोड़ रहा है. Again bad. Brush your teeth. Then give water to plants. And then whenever you go for sleep, you should do prayer. Isn't it? God का नाम लेके सोते हैं. सुबह उठते हैं तो हम भगवान का नाम लेते हैं. Isn't it? So now you have to think which are good or which are bad habit, and write this. You will write date, homework, and you can use green and red color for this. How? Put a tick with green color and one which is wrong, cross with red color. So 2 I have done for you. Yes, reading books is very good habit. Enjoying story time is good habit. Fighting is bad. So like this you will complete this work. Understood all? So class, enjoyed the work in which we have seen what are different activities we should do which are good for us. Good मतलब उनसे हमें कोई harm नहीं होगा और किसी और को भी वो करने से परेशानी नहीं होगी. Isn't it? And the activities which are bad habits. Bad habits होती हैं जिनको हमें follow नहीं करना है. अगर आप ऐसा कर रहे हो, stop doing that. और ऐसा बंद करने से आप good boy बन जाओगे, good girl बन जाओगे. Isn't it? और जो good बच्चे होते हैं ना, उनको सब इतना सारा प्यार करते हैं, इतने सारे smileys, goods, बहुत चीजें देते हैं. Okay? So now it's time for you all to finish this work. And as I told you, if you finish your work timely, if you submit or share your work timely, ma'am is also going to give you smiles, chocolates and lot of things. Okay? So it's time to finish your work and make sure आप अपना work अभी finish करोगे after your classes, and after finishing your work, just after finishing your work, you are going to share it or submit your work on my WhatsApp number. So let me see who is a good boy or good girl and who is a bad boy, bad girl. I know everyone is good here, okay? So waiting to see your beautiful book pages after doing your today's work. Bye for now. Take care.